Biscuit! Biscuit! Wake up! We're going to FUNLAND Park, the biggest roller coaster in the whole entire world.
One big rule, Leo, everyone saves their own spending money for this trip. That includes you.
Wait. What? Maya, I have to save my own money. I have $0. Don't panic. 3 months is enough if you have a plan.
Leo had never saved for a goal before. He spent every dollar the moment he got it. But this time, something big was waiting.
How much do you want to spend at Funland?
All the snacks and all the rides.
Let's pick a real number. How about $40?
$40 divided by 12 weeks, that's $350 every week.
$350 a week? Mom, I can totally do that. Week 1 started. Biscuit, we are going to Funland.
Leo had a plan, a chart, and a jar. And for the first 2 weeks, everything went perfectly.
Dad, it's only $8.
That's also 2 weeks of your Funland savings.
Leo, want some gummy bears? I can't. I'm saving for something bigger.
Bigger than gummy bears?
Week 4, 1/3 of the way there.
1/3 feels so slow.
It felt impossible 2 weeks ago.
Saving is easy to start. The real test comes when something shiny shows up right in the middle of your plan.
Mom, Jake's gift costs $20.
Leo, that's almost half your Funland money.
Make Jake a coupon book, 5 game dates at your house.
That's actually genius.
Biscuit! That is not a chew toy. What if this means I should quit?
Or it means Biscuit really wants you to keep going.
A chewed-up chart doesn't cancel a goal. Leo put up a brand new one, this time just out of Biscuit's reach.
7 weeks in, Biscuit. I think we're actually doing this.
How's the saving going, buddy?
Week 7, $26 saved.
That is seriously impressive. I'm proud of you.
Leo was more than halfway there. But the hardest part of any savings journey isn't the beginning. It's just before the finish line.
Don't even look at it, but it's holographic. Say it with me, Funland. No. I spent $3 on those stickers. I messed up.
What happened?
I ruined everything.
You didn't ruin everything. You just need to adjust your plan. 2 weeks left. $14 short. Can you earn extra with more chores?
Dishes every night and Dad's car Saturday. Dad, extra chores, extra pay, every day for 2 weeks.
Deal?
Deal.
Not even 1 day off.
Leo washed dishes. He vacuumed. He raked leaves. He washed the car twice, every single day. No excuses.
Maya, I have $41.05. You didn't just make it, you went over your goal. I did it! $41 by myself.
That night, Leo felt something even better than happy. He felt proud. The kind of proud that only comes from finishing something hard.
It's even bigger than I imagined. And you earned every single ride. 1 large lemonade with my money. A souvenir for your first savings goal?
Exactly. I'm keeping this forever.
That was amazing, and I paid myself. Best money you ever saved. Best money I ever spent. Dad, saving was really hard,
Yeah, it is.
but this feels better than anything I bought without thinking.
Saving isn't about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to something worth waiting for. What are you saving for? Start your goal today. If you loved Leo's story, subscribe and follow along. Leo and Maya have many more money adventures coming.
We had so much fun learning with you today. See you next time.